Red light therapy has transitioned from a niche biohack into a standard, highly sought-after practice within modern clinical medicine. But scaling this treatment for professional use introduces a high financial barrier, represented by the BioLight Adapt System and its $40,000 price tag. That investment covers a massive 200-pound horizontal treatment table paired with an adaptable top panel that rotates a full 360 degrees. This comparison highlights the gap. On the left, standard setups, vertical orientation, fixed frequencies, priced under $3,000. On the right, the BioLight Adapt, a horizontal bed offering pulsing frequencies up to 9,999 Hz for $40,000. This price point forces an evaluation for commercial clinic operators, elite med spa owners, and individuals building private wellness spaces. Is this level of precision engineering a mandatory requirement for elite patient outcomes, or is it an over-engineered luxury? To answer that, we must move past the consumer mindset and analyze this strictly as a high-stakes capital expenditure. The first operational hurdle is the permanent floor space this system requires. This blueprint shows the table demands a footprint of 75 by 27 inches. It is built to support over 400 pounds and draws 1,450 watts of power. This setup is a sharp departure from traditional clinic environments, where a patient usually stands in front of a panel mounted to the back of a door. Instead, the client lies completely horizontal. It provides a luxurious, zero-gravity style treatment experience with full 360-degree light coverage across the entire body. However, that comfort costs the operator versatility. Installing the system removes the ability to use that square footage for any other purpose. You are dedicating a commercial room entirely to this single treatment modality. This massive physical commitment forces clinics to elevate their per-session ticket prices simply to justify the dedicated floor space. Beyond the footprint, the Adapt system requires rigid hardware decisions at the start, specifically regarding customizable wavelengths. You select your red light range, 620 to 750 nanometers, and near-infrared range, 800 to 1,000 nanometers, exactly at purchase. Near-infrared caters to deep tissue, joint recovery, and sports rehab. Conversely, red light ranges target dermatology and surface-level skin health. The trade-off is a permanent hardware lock-in. If you misjudge the needs of your primary clientele, you cannot simply download an update to physically change the LEDs inside the system later. Achieving elite differentiation requires a data-backed understanding of your customer base before you spend a single dollar. Then there is the most complex feature of the Adapt system, its adjustable light pulsing and intensity modulation. This chart plots clinical impact against operational complexity. Practitioners modify intensity to 100%, setting frequencies up to 9,999 Hz. These advanced photobiomodulation protocols outperform basic panels. For instance, precisely 40 Hz targets cognitive decline and Alzheimer's symptoms. But utilizing this precision requires a massive, unavoidable learning curve for the staff. Standard consumer devices are plug-and-play and require no training. The Adapt system requires constant technical education. The $40,000 price tag is wasted without an educated staff capable of translating complex research into daily clinical execution. To reach a conclusion, we need to map out who actually achieves a return on investment with this platform. First, have $40,000 and space? If no, buy standard. Second, will you use variable frequencies? If no, investment stalls. If yes to both, invest $24,900 for the table or $40,000 for the full system. The ideal buyer profile consists of high-end med spas, physical therapy clinics, and elite recovery centers charging premium rates. Ultra-high net worth home optimizers seeking maximum physical comfort while following advanced research protocols also fit this profile. However, standard home users or clinic owners who want a simple turn it on and walk away solution should avoid this system. Paying for 9,999 Hz pulsing capabilities without using them means paying tens of thousands of dollars for features that will merely collect dust. The BioLight Adapt system is a definitive commercial modality platform. It demands serious operational intent to yield its true financial return.